And then yeah, like spin it up. Go back. Cue it up.
Tell us your name.
My name is Madison.
My name is Jocelyn.
My name is Shayna.
My name is Jordan.
My hair type is I have very thick hair.
My hair type is frizzy, if I would say it in one word.
Dry at the ends, really curly.
My hair texture is fine.
My hair doesn't have a vibe. I think that's the issue. Like I will wake up and the entire top layer is straight and then I've got like something under here hitting a 90-degree angle. And I'm like, what happened?
Like one of the worst things that I hated about my hair was that it would break off. Like the ends would get so damaged and just break off completely. So I was trying to grow my hair long and it just wouldn't grow because the ends kept cutting off.
Obviously, I wish I could get out of bed every day and have moisturized hair, but unfortunately, that's not my reality.
Split ends are definitely a big struggle for me. I have a lot of breakage because I wear my hair up so often.
Having something that I don't have to use daily but will give me overall better hair is like, what more could you ask for?
It would feel like heaven to have a product that does that for me.
All right, Madison, are you ready?
Let's do it.
I am so ready to try out OLAPLEX No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask.
So yeah, how's your hair feel?
My hair feels amazing. I mean, you're seeing it, right? I mean, look at it.
Now my hair feels super shiny and super soft. My hair has never felt this way ever before.
I feel great. My hair feels amazing. I had no idea that my hair could have this much body.
This is like, honest to God, it really does work. So I didn't expect it, and it really does work.
I can't believe that it was so easy for No. 8 to do this to my hair. It literally only took 10 minutes.
I felt like before I had crazy flyaways and it was never styling exactly the way I wanted it to, and now it's just laying a lot smoother and softer.
I love now that my hair has intense moisture, has shine, body, and it feels really smooth.
And I didn't even know that my hair could have this much bounce because it used to be stiff and just look like this, and now it feels like amazing.
My hair is obviously so much shinier, smoother. It really has that added moisture that you can feel.
I didn't even need to use that much. It was just like one, probably like 2 pumps at most. It feels like I'm on a cloud right now.
Yeah, are you gonna tell people about No. 8?
Okay, I have 3 older sisters, a mother, and a bunch of aunties, and literally I will tell them to use it the moment I get home.